I'm your nurse. Your mom and dad are right here with you, okay?
We're right here, baby.
You had an accident yesterday with some fireworks. Can you open your eyes? Sequoia, can you open your eyes?
They might be stuck. Just try to totally relax, Sequoia.
Hey, buddy. Hi.
They said, don't tell them to relax.
I know, I'm sorry.
Wait.
I can't help it
I
now.
know.
It
I
just
listened,
kicks
but-
in.
No,
God.
calm down. This is the one I hate.
Yeah.
Tell me to calm down.
That's what I want.
Chip in my mouth.
I just want to tell him not to fight it.
Yeah. You're good. You can talk to him.
Sequoia, don't fight anything, honey.
So Sequoia, you have a breathing tube in your mouth. We're going to get it out today. That's our goal. Once you're awake enough, we're going to try and get it out, okay? Do you understand? Sequoia? Yeah, he's not
Not there yet.
out there. Yeah. Okay, buddy. We're here for you.
We're right here. Mommy and Daddy are right here.
Okay. Let me know if you need anything. I'll be in and out. Let me know.
Thank you.
You see me, baby? I'm right here, honey. You're gonna slowly start to wake up. And I want you to be really, really calm when you wake up. I love you, Sequoia. Love you, baby.
bud.
Can you see me, honey? I can see you. I see
Right
you
here.
trying. You just try and relax, baby, all right? Just breathe normally. Don't fight anything, okay? We're right here for you when you wake up, baby. Love you, Sequoia. I'm gonna get you to start to wake up. They're weaning the medicine off so you can start to wake up, my love. I see your eyes, honey. You're doing great. Just try to be calm. And don't fight anything, okay? And you have a breathing tube in. We gotta get you to be calm when you open your eyes, okay?